going to show you how to use the Yellow Pages tool on the Lead Sniper website, all right, to extract phone numbers from the Yellow Pages, guys. This is so easy, so let's get straight in. So as simple as bring down your extension, all right, and type in the keywords you want to use, all right? One keyword per line, so I'm going to put pizza, and then on the right-hand side, all right, type the location, so you can type all the locations you want to do, and click start. Now, guys, how ridiculously easy is this, all right? You can simply do this by typing in a few words and scraping what you would take minutes, millions of minutes, literally weeks to do this. All right, so you can see it's going through right now. We got 23 on the left, 25 on the right. They're going to keep going all the way up as we scrape through all of these businesses. If you're hungry for pizza like I am, this is a very good tool. But if you want to grow your business like I do, this is what you need to use. All right, so guys, keep going through these videos. Now, let me know if you already are using this tool. If you're not, please note this video got over 1,000 on the left, over 1,000 on the right. Okay, simply export CSV, click download as CSV, and you are on your way to being there. Now, what you want to do is once that file's downloaded, drag it into your Google file, okay? Once it's dragged into there, it's very simple. You want to open it with Google Sheets. So open it and then click at the top, open with Google Sheets. Watch what pops up. It's already done for you. Everything is categorized. Everything is there, guys. This is how incredible this is. Now, you have got everything all the way from URLs, phone numbers, addresses, whatever they have got public domain, okay, out in the internet, you have got on there. Whatever was in Yellow Pages is now on your sheet. This is how amazing it is, okay? It would take weeks to get this, guys. I'm so excited for you to use this because it's going to grow your business so quick like you've never seen before. Now, you simply just go to whatever it is you want to extract from this. Phone numbers is what we're doing today, so just drag it all the way down and it's going to show you exactly how many we have done in this simple couple of minute video. All right, so you drag it all the way to the bottom and you'll see it working at full resources. Now, when you get to the bottom, okay, it's going to come up at the bottom right. I'll show you with the exact number you've got. You can see here 1,163. Guys, tell me how long it would take you to get that. That's how easy it is, guys. How long would that have took you? It's unbelievable. So do me a massive favor and make me feel unbelievable by hitting that like button, the subscribe button, the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you on the next video.